Wonder if we can see how old this tree is by probably get somebody in the chat counting the rings. Looks like it had some bugs. It's probably what hollowed it out, caused it to fall during a windstorm. There's a lot of rings on there though. Hold it still, you know what I mean? I think mine's got like a built-in kind of somewhat like a gimbal device. Because I'm rocking it and it doesn't, it's kind of keeping it steady as I'm walking. It's not like, birds are moving back up north. So there used to be a huge hospital here during the War of 1812. And then Buffalo got burned down in 1813, and most of the residents of Buffalo came out this way. Must be some kind of old historic landmarker or something. That's why they left it. There's some ducks. Something living in here. It's pretty random. Maybe tie a boat up to or something. Maybe it's for the fire department in case somebody's going over the falls. This doesn't look up to code. The code enforcement's literally right where we park. Yeah, doorknob. Random bike. Oh, this is, they could actually put down steel and close this off and force all the water to go around the island the other way, so it would come through here. And then the falls is on the other side of that bridge right there. See what kind of bike this is 10 speed. Ross. Actually, Ross is a halfway decent name. Back in the day. Anybody watching yet? They don't know what they're missing.
We're on the other, so probably another thing.
Yeah.
Got one.
Hello, chat. Thanks for stopping in. This needs a fresh coat of paint. Yeah, we're gonna walk across the street now and go see the mill and the waterfalls. Don't feed the ducks. I guess seagulls are okay though. Still frozen a little bit on top.